Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose misleading products and help you make safe buying decisions. Today's video is about the vGlow red light device, a product that claims to naturally restore intimate health in days, especially for women experiencing menopause-related issues. But the real question is vGlow worth buying, or is it another overhyped product? Let's break it down. According to its marketing, vGlow claims to restore natural moisture production, stop recurring infections, strengthen the pelvic floor, reverse tissue atrophy, also known as GSM, eliminate painful intimacy, provide non-hormonal, drug-free healing at home. These are very strong medical-style claims, so they deserve careful examination. Now let's talk about what raises concerns. 1. Results in days. Promised menopause-related conditions develop over years. Any device promising dramatic healing in just days is likely exaggerating results. Limited independent clinical proof. While red light therapy is studied for general wellness, there is no widely verified clinical evidence that this device alone can cure GSM, infections, or tissue atrophy. Overlapping medical claims. Stopping infections and reversing atrophy usually requires medical evaluation, not just a home-use light device. Testimonials without verification. Most success stories appear only on the official website, with no way to verify their authenticity. Refund and AMP. Transparency issues. Important details about trials, certifications, and long-term safety are not clearly explained. Based on our analysis, vGlow may provide temporary comfort or relaxation, but claims of curing infections or reversing GSM are not reliably proven. This product appears overmarketed and medically overstated. We do not recommend relying on vGlow as a treatment, especially for serious menopausal symptoms. If you're experiencing intimate health issues, always consult a qualified medical professional. Be cautious of miracle cure claims. Avoid products promising fast, guaranteed results. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you want us to review another product. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you.